Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI Redmi Note 8 Pro, and I'll show you how to change home screen transition on this device. So first you should just hold for a while one from your screens, doesn't matter. And now just go here to the settings icon. Here you'll see the transitions effects section, just tap there, and now you can select one from these available animations. For example, I'll go with the rotate one, and now just tap here to done, and here tap done again. And as can you see, we just changed successfully our home screen transition. If you want to go just back with the default one, just go again to the settings, to the transitions effect, and go here to the slide one, and just tap here, go back, and as can you see, we got right now our default home screen animation. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.